Hello, my name is Ethan Schiffmiller, and before I give you the live forecast, I will tell you some more about blizzards. The actual definition of blizzards is a blinding storm 35 miles per hour or more. Blizzards usually form when cold air mass blows out of the Arctic into warm air called the temperature zone and forces the warm air to rise. They usually forms when there is unusually warm weather in the winter. And now to the studio. Hey, I'm back, and my name is Ethan Schiffmiller. There's going to be snow today, because, as you can see, there's a cold front coming in from the Great Plains of the United States of America, the best country in the world. Moving northeast in an counterclockwise direction. It is going to be 28 degrees with a 32-degree dew point temperature and dropping. We're going to now, Zach, with the sling psychrometer.
I'm here with my sling psychrometer, and as you can see, the dew point temperature is 32 degrees, and the air temperature is 31 degrees. It is a total monstrous event.
And that was just Zach with the sling psychrometer. Wasn't that just great? And now we are with Brandon Lerner live with the weather.
Thank you, Ethan. I can't even hear myself. It's snowing so hard. Look at this snow. Look at it. Just look at that. Oh my God, I've never seen such snow.
Mr. Lerner, I don't really think that there's any pedestrians out there, am I right?
Why, yes, Ethan. There seems to be one or two pedestrians walking across. It's hard to see them, but they're here. They're here.
So, Mr. Lerner, can you tell us how deep the snow really is? We've been dying to know. Me, everyone in the studio, and every home in America.
Why, Ethan, it's a funny thing of you to ask that question, because look what I have. My handy-dandy measurer. Yes. Let's see how deep this bad boy really is. Up, and away. It seems to be 7 feet.
Mr. Lerner, we are now going to go with Zach with the traffic report on I-92.
Hello, Ethan. Conditions seem to be very, very serious here. There's a lot of traffic, and many roads seem to be closed. I-92 is closed due to severe conditions due to the blizzard. So take Route 5. The Sunset State Parkway is moving, but very, very slow, so I wouldn't recommend it. No planes are leaving LaGuardia, so take JFK. But don't think you're leaving so soon, because all the planes are delayed there.
Ethan, freeze out here, and I think I have hypothermia. What should I do?
Oh, to hear about that, Brandon. Hypothermia is a very bad case of the dropping of the blood temperature. It can cause many problems, and it could lead to frostbite, which will harm you in many ways. Keep your body as warm as possible by rubbing your hands together. This will make your body temperature lower and will cause more friction, which causes more heat. See, I'm doing it right now, and it's making our hands warm and nice.
And let me just try it out now. Not helping!
Brandon, I'm just deeply sorry that my treatments do not work for you. But we will now be going on a commercial break. 77 Beats, traffic and weather.
And now a commercial from
The North Face.
Dry bulb.
Wet bulb.
Dew point.
I want to give a shout out to you, Falvon. Oh! Ah!
You just got kicked in the...
Give it.